Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to set up and use WeChat wallet. So in order to set up and use WeChat wallet, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to go and log into your WeChat account and press the profile icon or the wallet tab from the top right hand side. So first thing, you have to go and log in, and next you have to click on your profile from the bottom right hand side, and you should be able to see this sort of interface. So right on this page, go ahead and press on WeChat Pay. As you select that, next it's going to show you this sort of field where you have to go ahead and press the wallet tab. As you click on the wallet tab, then you'll be taken to the page where you have to go ahead and enter in your card information. So as per the card information, you'll have to type in your card type, your name on the card, the ID type, your ID number, and then the phone registered with your bank account and all that, and click the next button. As you do that, now you have to go ahead and set up a payment password. So type in the one and confirm it, and you'll have successfully set up WeChat wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.